Hello everyone. So today we are going to make a quiz using Google Forms. And by the end of this video, you know how to add questions, how to choose correct answers, and even analyze the result. So let's dive right in. So come over, and you want to ensure that you have a Google account, because using a Google form requires you having a Google account. So you come over to your Google Chrome and then you type google.com and enter. And then over here, you have Google account. So this is my Google account. I have an image there. Yours might be showing letter. Let's say, for example, my name is Mary. So if I did not have an image here, it's going to be showing letter M. So yours might be showing another letter, like the first letter of your name, your first name. And so beside it, you see Google Apps. You click on it. And then it's going to show you all the apps. So we're looking for forms. So scroll down and you see forms. Click on it. And here, you have the option of creating a blank form, or you can click on template gallery, the template, like Google form has template, but we want to create a new form. So click on it. And here is our form. So first thing is come to your settings tab, click on it. Remember, it's a quiz, so make sure make this a quiz. Turn this on. You see, immediately after each submission, it means that once your quiz takers, they fill this form, it will show the answer that they got. And then you scroll down to responses. Here, click on this drop down here, and you see limit to 1 response. So it means that they can only attempt this quiz once. So click on it, make sure it is on, and then scroll down to presentation here. And then come down to click the drop down. And then you see show progress bar here. Turn this on. And then there's after submission here. So after they've submitted, they need to get a confirmation message. So click on edit. What do you want them to get once they are done? So they're going to see, thanks for attempting the quiz. So you click on save. So that's about the settings tab. So you come back to your questions tab, and then we start with our questions. So over here, you see untitled form. So you want to ensure that you give your form a title. So you're going to give it quiz for basic 3. Click on enter, and then this will also change to quiz for basic 3. You can see it. We want to make sure this is bold, so you highlight it and click on bold. And then give your form a description. So we want to say, please answer all the questions. Sorry, and then, so come down here, click on it. And then you see untitled question, so you can start typing your question. So we want to get their name, so click on name. And then you see beside it, you see short answer. There's a drop down, click on it. So name, we want them to type their name. So it means that it is a short answer. So we click on short answer. And then come down here, you see required. Turn this on. It means that this question is required. They have to attempt it. So if you want to add another question, you click this plus sign here. And whenever you click on required, you're going to see this red star here, asterisk. So it means that it is compulsory. They need to answer it. So we want to type in our second question. We want to get their class. So we want to highlight this, make it bold. So bold. You also want to do this. So you click on it, make it bold, come back to the question. So we want to get their class. So instead of just putting, since we know that it's basic 3, but we want to put 2 options, basic 2 and basic 3. So we come see. So Google Form knows that, oh, this will require a multiple choice. So it's giving you option, multiple choice. So multiple choice, and multiple choice requires you see option 1, 2, 3, you can see any option, like more than 2 options. So we have option 1. So we're going to click on it, and then you type your option. We want basic 2. And then come to add option again. We type basic 3. So we know that this form is for basic 3. So you come down here, you see answer key. So you choose you know that it is for basic 3. So you choose basic 3. And you can see it is showing green, like this is the correct answer. And you give it a point. Let's say you give it 5 points. So you highlight it and you type your 5. And then come here, you see add answer feedback. What this means is, okay, if this person, they answer this question right, they get a response. And if they don't answer the question correctly, they'll get a response. So here you see incorrect answer. So once they did not get it, they'll get a response incorrect. And once they get it, come down to correct answer, they'll see good job. And then you click on save. You also want to ensure that you click on done here, done, so that it takes effect. And then you come here, you click on required, so that it's a composite question. Click on it. Now we want to add another page. Click on plus sign here. So this is the real question. Now we want to type what is the opposite of big? So it's a multiple choice. So come down here. Option 1, tall. Option 2, small. Option 3, large. Scroll down. See answer key. Click on it. Answer key. Choose the right answer. Small. And then you come down, you give it the point. Let's say this is 10 points. And then you come here, answer feedback. If it is incorrect, to get incorrect. If the answer is wrong, to get incorrect. If it is right, they'll get good job. And then you click on save. Remember to always click on done when you make changes. Click on done. We'll add the third question. Come here, add question. The third one. What is the plural of cats? Want it to be lowercase, so the question. Then multiple choice. Want to highlight this, make it bold. You do the same thing here. And don't forget, please, always turn this on if you want them to answer that question. But if you want them to skip without answering it, you don't turn it on. So come back to this question. What is the plural of cats? The first one, cats. The second option, catties. And the third one, still catties, then spelled differently. And you always want to add answer key. Choose the right answer, cart, and then come here, answer feedback. If it is wrong, they get incorrect. If it is right, they get good job. Then you save. Okay, we want to add the point, 10 points, and then click on done. So one more question and then we're good to go. The last question. What is the color? Sorry, the color of what is the color of Nigeria flag? You can see green, white, green. Please hold on. Green, white, green, pink, white. Pink. Let's just give this two options and then come to answer key, choose the right answer, give it a point, 10. I think altogether we are having, I think 25 points or so. So click on answer, feedback, incorrect. Good job. Good job. Yeah, and then save. And you always want to ensure that you click on done and required. So you could, let's check here. Oh, we didn't click on it. So click on required. And that is that. So now, yes, we're done with it. So this is looking like really plain. We want to add an image. So come over here. You see customize theme. Click on it. And then come here. You see header. And then choose image. Click on it. And come down to just kids. And you can pick whatever image that you like. Let's see. I think I like this one. And click on insert. You can see the magic. Voila, that's it. And you can also choose a background color. You can see that the color is now looking really fly. So that's about theme. So now we want to see how this form is going to look like when they start filling it. So you can click on this eye icon, preview, click on it. So this is how it's going to look like. See, you can see this is how it's going to look like. And you can, to go back to the initial page, you click on this pencil, edit this form. So you go back and you are here. So the total point is 35. So now once they start filling this form, you want to see their response. So here you come to response. And now nobody has attempted this form. So you are seeing 0 responses. So you want to come here, click on these 3, click on select destination for responses, and then create a new spreadsheet. So you can automate this form over to Google Sheet, so that whatever that response that you're getting here, you can also go to Google Sheet. So you click on create, and then click on view in sheet. Now, nobody has attempted, so there's nothing here, but it's just showing you the headers here. So we can go back to our form. We'll go back, and then if you want to start sending this form, let people start seeing it. So you go to your questions, and then you come here, you see publish. You want people to start filling it, but then they need to get the link. So you click on publish, and then you see anyone with this link. It means that whoever that is going to click on this link will be able to fill the form. Anyone. So you want to ensure that it is on anyone. So you come, click on publish. You can see published. And so you come here. This is showing, this is copy respondent link. You click on it. It's showing you the link, but it is too long. We want to shorten it. So you click on shorten URL. Now it is short. Click on copy. Now you can now go ahead and paste this link wherever you want to paste it. Let's say you have a WhatsApp group where all your students are. You can now go there and paste it. So let's paste it on another tab. So I'll come here and paste it. Control V, enter. And I'll fill the form. So now I want to fill it. So type in my name. Let's say my name is Praise. I'll click on basic 2. And then what is the opposite of big? Small. What is the plural of cat? Cat. Now deliberately pick the wrong answer so that I can see the incorrect feedback. So I'll click on pink with white and then submit. So now, remember I typed the confirmation message that they will get is thanks for attempting the quiz. So here it's, see, thanks for attempting the quiz. So they can view their score so that they can see what they scored. So here you can see, because they got the answer correctly, showing good job. And their name here is showing praise. You can see here, what is the opposite of big? Small. Good job. What is the plural of cat? They chose the right answer, cat. And the last one, because they did not get the answer, it's showing incorrect. The feedback is showing incorrect because the answer is not correct. So now somebody has attempted the quiz. Now we'll now go back to our quiz to check the responses. You guessed right, you see 1 responses. So let's go. So now it is now showing responses 1. So you click on the responses. It's showing 1 response. So if you scroll down, you see summary. It's going to show you the summary. It's showing you the name of the person, the class, showing you the chat, everything. You can see. You can even view in sheet. Now, this person that has filled the form, you see their name, everything that they filled in the sheet. So you can see here, showing you the time that this person filled the form. 2:30, the score they had, their name, their class. What is the opposite of big, small? The answer that they chose. What is it? The answer that they chose. And then this. So you can see. Imagine if you have like 10 persons, instead of getting their name one after the other, they can just fill the form, and then you have this sheet will be populated, and then you cannot analyze whatever you want to analyze. So here, that is how you create a quiz on Google form. So we'll go back to our form. So I want you to create something like this too, but let it be finer than mine. And then send a screenshot to the main group. All right. Thank you. Bye.